Hello everyone. So the next problem in this series is the data below shows the number of rooms in the hotel, 50 rooms in 50 hotels of a city. Find the median. This is median number of the room. So here we need to find the number. So here we have been given n is equal to 50 because the number of hotels are 50 over here. So therefore we can say n by 2 will be 25, and we can see that 25 lies between the class interval of 140 to 145 to 150. This is the class interval. So therefore we can consider this class as the model class. So we will consider this class as the model class. So here we can say, so the model class is equal to 145 to 150. Therefore L, that is the upper limit, will be 145. CF is equal to 10, F is equal to 20, and H, that is size, is the difference, and the H, height, 145 minus 50, that is 5. So we have derived the H also. Now we need to put all this into a formula, and the formula for median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into H. This is the formula for median. So we can put the formulas. We have L is equal to 145 plus n by 2 is 25 minus CF is 10 upon 20, which is into height is 5. So this comes to 148.75. Therefore we can say 148.75 is the required mean, which is the required median, which is the solution for the given problem. Thank you.